Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Boss Fighters token, the BFT token. Ticker symbol is BFT. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting May 7th on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced, will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting May 7th at 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Bftoken. Now, the actual ticker symbol is BFT, but this token here, there probably already was another token with the ticker symbol BFT to distinguish between both. They have it listed as Bftoken, all one word, is the ticker symbol on Mexc. But if you look at their Etherscan, ticker symbol BFT and name of the token is Bftoken. The project is called Boss Fighters. And I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Boss Fighters X, and you can see they have a gigantic following, 301,400 Twitter followers. Very popular project, has a full link tree right there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. So it says Boss Fighters is an asymmetrical multiplayer action game where one player, with or without a VR headset, is the powerful boss monster. In contrast, other players, fighters, battle against it. All battle for spectators' amusement, ranks, and valuable loot. Embark on a multiplayer online experience. This is an asymmetrical co-op shooter bred with the physics of sandbox experience to create a unique, innovative game that will shake the gaming landscape. The physics-based boss players' gameplay, the sense of scale and power while controlling the giant boss, contrasts with the team of fighters' teamwork, cunning, and agility. Hop on to free-to-play battles as the boss or the fighter. Become a futuristic superstar gladiator and win valuable items, skins, and other rewards. The game is essentially free-to-play, so almost all items can be received for gameplay activities or bought with in-game currency. However, players who wish to embrace the advantages of blockchain technology can expand their success, earn valuable digital collectibles, and compete for prize pools. Boss Fighters is developed by Pixward Games, where top-class artists, designers, and battle-hardened VR developers create groundbreaking, innovative VR and blockchain games. Now, the roadmap is on their document section, which you could find at wiki.bossfighters.game. So they start with the phase 1 early 2025. So basically the roadmap is starting in 2025. So it's like a new project here. that has lots of plans in the future. It says economic launch, BFT token generation event, and listing. So radiation rift map, number 3, game shares utility, so distribution rounds. Then the BFT token launch and listing on exchanges, and that's what's happening right now with the big Mexc global listing. Then full economy release, friends and social features. Then we have the post-launch updates. So Stadium Shop and customization coming in mid-2025. Game shares. Stadium purchase utility. Arena invites with the Bftoken. More token listings and blockchain compatibility. So it says mid-year they're going to have way more central exchange listings. So Mexc seems to be one of the big first ones here. And then mobile release later in 2025 with the new maps and competitive modes, battle pass and shops, game shares, community features, guild access and member roles, companion apps, so economy, streaming, and social management, mobile release, and then future plans, probably 2026 and after, is going to be console release, more maps, creative game mode, and self-hosted tournaments. So the full roadmap you can check out on their document section. If you want to check out the gameplay overview, how to play as a boss or play as a fighter, the perk system, character stat system, all of that is on the white paper as well, along with the game economy overview. Now, at the heart of Boss Fighters universe lies the Bftoken, an integral component that fuels various activities within the game. Bftoken is pivotal to shaping your journey at the and the game's economy, from crafting unique digital collectibles to unlocking exclusive content. With a fixed maximum supply and value of Bftoken is meticulously designed to increase with the growth of the player base, ensuring that each token remains a valuable asset in your gaming arsenal. Engaging with Bftoken means embarking on a multifaceted adventure of crafting, merging, and participating in game activities. Every action you undertake is a step forward in your journey, contributing to the richness of Boss Fighters' economy. With a cap of 1 billion tokens, most Bftokens will be generated through gameplay, rewarding players actively for participating and equipping badges. So badges you can get within the game there. And yeah, so there's different ways to use the token, crafting new digital collectibles, entering the arena mode, holding it unlocks specific gated content. And you can trade the token coming up soon on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.